Good evening. I am Apurvi from class 7th of Ramdas Public School, Day Boarding, Anand Parbat, New Delhi. Today I am going to talk about innovation. Innovation is the spark that ignites the flame of progress, transforming ideas into reality and shaping the world around us. Student innovation, in particular, has the potential to revolutionize various fields from healthcare and technology to education and sustainability. By encouraging students to think creatively and develop innovative solutions, we can unlock their full potential and create a brighter future for all. As we embark on this journey of innovation, it's essential to understand the importance of student innovation. The significance of student innovation cannot be overstated as it has far-reaching consequences on individuals, communities, and societies. Let us discuss about importance of student innovation. It uh, it helps student innovation. It helps student to encourage ideas and solutions. Student innovation helps students develop problem-solving capability. Student innovation also helps students develop leadership capability. It helps students develop entrepreneurship capability. Fasten your seatbelts as we are about to take off on a thrilling ride of innovative examples. Examples of student innovation are Ramesh Kumar, a student from Rajasthan, developed a solar powered irrigation system. Savitri Devi, a student from Bihar, created an organic fertilizer using agricultural waste. Rahul Singh, a student from Uttar Pradesh, developed a low-cost portable water testing kit. A student from BITS Pilani, Akash Mishra, developed a Sanskrit language learning app which provides interactive lessons and quizzes for learning Sanskrit. Sai Kumar, a student from IIT Hyderabad, developed a Telugu handwritten character recognition system which recognizes handwritten Telugu characters using machine learning algorithms. Now that we have seen the incredible impact of student innovation, let's explore the ways to promote it. There are several ways to promote student innovation. Innovative programs. Organize innovative programs that provide students with the opportunity to present their ideas and solutions. Organize innovation competitions that provide students with the opportunity to present their ideas and solutions. Organize innovation workshop that provide students with the opportunity to learn about innovation. Innovation mentorship. It helps in providing innovation mentorship that provides students with the opportunity to learn about innovation. As we continue to promote student innovation, let's look to the future and explore new frontiers. As we continue to promote student innovation, we should also strive to address pressing challenges in various fields. For instance, developing innovative solutions like sugar drops that can be placed on the tongue to control diabetes, providing a convenient and non-invasive method of managing blood sugar levels. Creating technology-based solutions for testing the SPF of sunscreens, replacing inhuman testing methods, and promoting cruelty-free, efficient testing. In conclusion, the student innovation has the power to transform lives, communities, and societies. Let's unleash this power and create a brighter future for all. Student innovation is a field that encourages students to develop their ideas and solutions. It is a capability that helps individuals and societies move forward. We should work to promote student innovation so that our students can develop their ideas and solutions. Thank you.